Hi, in front of me is Nokia 3.4 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, open Settings, then scroll down and click on Security. Over here, pick Screen Lock and select one of the options, swipe Pattern, PIN or Password. I will go with Pattern, so I have to click on it, draw my pattern, then click Next, draw it again and tap Confirm. How do you want the lock screen to display? Select one of the options, for example, don't show notifications at all, tap on it and tap on Done. So now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!